Hi YouTubers, we're gonna do something very neat. You see this little light that hangs over this door? I am going to install this tiny LED. We're gonna I am going to drill out a little hole here for the LED, and then I'm gonna drill the base, the base, to round the wires. I'm using I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, magnetic wire. Yeah, I got it from a little motor from one of my son's toys that broke up. So this very tiny little wire is going to run through this tiny little lamp. Okay, let me do that and I'll be back, alright? I'm back, YouTubers. This is like 15 hours later. The original LEDs that I was using from the cell phone, I lost all 4 of them. They were so tiny, they were so difficult to work with. The tabs where you solder, they were so sensitive, they kept breaking off. So I went back to some other LEDs that I had. Like, they're slightly bigger, but it still works. As you can see, the little lamp is on. This was a pain in the butt. It gave me a horrible headache because I'm not supposed to be sitting down for so long, and I'm stubborn. I couldn't sleep last night because of the pain, but I got it done. I didn't work through the night. I just waited till the morning to try a different approach, different LED, but I got it. I'll put it in the house and I'll show you how it looks. Here's the finished light. Caused me a lot of headaches. There we go. Nice and bright. And I changed the LED in there because supposedly they're making transformers or whatever. They're doing soldering and stuff like that. So there's a lot of sparks flying and things. I think I'm not sure. If, I don't even know if they're making that. They may be dealing drugs or something. But the tiny LED cost me a big deal of pain. Well, it wasn't that LED in particular. It was another LED, the one from a cell phone. But as you can see, it has a lot of light. And all you have to do is remove the. Let me turn on the lights. All you have to do is, is remove the little lamp. But be careful so you don't break it. And the little tiny wires, I don't know if you can see them. Let me grab something. One is running on this side and the other one is running on the other side. And then right here, right before the lamp goes into the little hole, the wires go inside. and so it's there. I think you can see there's the LED. I think I need to fix it a little bit. You can't see it. I'm too super close with the camera. That's why you can see it. Super bright. There we go. All right. I think that's about it. I have another video that I've been recording about this warehouse where I weather it and re-weather it, and I'm still not sure if I'm happy with it, but you can see the separation of the pieces of corrugated metal, all the rust. So that's it. Till next time, unless you want to see the cameras again. There you go, it's on. But one drawback, something's happening that is making the lights flicker. See? I gotta fix that problem. But sorry. See the little light inside the camera? There's a fiber optic in there. All right.